Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about the Arnolds. Bob and Irene married in February of 1947, dancing here in 1994 in Galveston. But they had a Airpark home in Cameron Park, California. It's on Barnstormer, so stay tuned for some more fun. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So anyway, here you go. Here are pictures right out of the Barnstormers ad. Again, this is for the Arnold's property, Bob and Irene, Cameron Park, California. So if you want to live in the Golden State and live on an Airpark, this is what it's like. So it's got pictures above and below. It's got a great basement underneath. I'll let you read the ad and make your own decision. Kind of makes you kind of jealous that I've never visited their house, but what a wonderful place to live and fly out of. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you got to meet the Arnold, and have a great day flying your Grumman.